Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Chrome OS Flex and Windows 10. Chrome OS Flex and Windows 10 are both useful operating systems, but they serve different purposes and suit different types of users. Chrome OS Flex is made by Google and is designed to bring speed and simplicity to older laptops and desktops. It's lightweight and mainly built for people who want to use internet often. You can borrow the web, check emails, stream videos, and use Google apps like Docs, Drive, and Gmail. It's startup fast, it's easy to use, and it's very secure. But it doesn't support Android apps, Windows software, or games. It's mostly for online work and you need an internet connection for the best experience. Windows 10, on the other hand, is a complete desktop operating system for Microsoft. It supports a wide range of programs, including Microsoft Office, Adobe Tools, PC games, and more. You can use it offline or online. It also allows deeper control over your system, supports custom apps, and is better for multitasking. However, it needs more hardware resources, so it may run slowly on older devices unless upgraded. In simple terms, Chrome OS Flex is better for older computers and lightweight internet use. It's great if you want speed and simplicity without needing extra features. Windows 10 is better if you need full software support, offline work, and more control. So choose Chrome OS Flex for basic tasks on an old device and go with Windows 10 if you need a full-featured system for work or school. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.